teach you how to operate this panel during testing. So because this one is new, familiar to me, so I will share how to silent reset and acknowledge during fire. So this panel, guys, is a Numens panel. So when fire, so you freeze this one, activate alarm silence, then acknowledge. So the sounds will normal, no more sounds. That is mean silence. Then after that one, you can press reset. This reset. Then after reset, all lead light coming. Then acknowledge. So the panel become normal. So that's all, guys. So this panel is Numens panels, and we have the cancel buzzer. So I repeat, guys, during fire testing, you can have active silence, then acknowledge. Then after acknowledge, the fire is silenced. Then if you want to reset, you press reset, then acknowledge. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.